Selling high-ticket coaching packages. One big payment can be all it takes for your processor to freeze your account. Here's a quick way to see the risk. Search high-ticket coaching payments frozen Stripe, and you will find stories of accounts shut down just because a client paid in full. For coaches selling premium programs, this can be devastating. That's why EasyPay Direct built unlimited high-ticket processing. So your 5K, 10K, or 20K payments go through without disruptions. And with chargeback mitigation, you will get alerts before disputes escalate, keeping your merchant account safe. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get hosted checkout, letting you generate secure payment links in minutes without extra software. If you want to accept high-ticket coaching payments without stress, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign-up form, and you will have reliable processing built to handle big transactions. The link's in the description to get started.